Hi there, I'm Cosmin from Simplecast by AdsWiz, part of SiriusXM. Simplecast is a podcast CMS that helps creators host, distribute, and analyze their audio content across multiple platforms. And we're now expanding our platform to support also video podcasts, allowing creators to publish and manage their shows directly on YouTube. To make this possible, we've created a project in Google Cloud Console and we're now submitting it for OAuth verification. This project will allow our backend services to securely connect to YouTube on behalf of our users. And all YouTube related operations will happen on the server side. Users won't be directly interacting with the Google APIs. So let's go through the demo. With this integration, Simplecast users will be able to connect their YouTube accounts and allow our platform to publish and manage video episodes on their YouTube channels and also fetch video performance analytics from YouTube, such as views, engagement, and other metrics, so that we can display them alongside our internal podcast analytics. And to achieve this, we're using two APIs, the YouTube Data API for managing channels, playlists, and video uploads, and the YouTube Analytics API for retrieving aggregated analytics data. So basically, we are requesting two main sets of OAuth scopes. We want to manage the YouTube account, which is needed to upload and update videos and metadata, and read-only YouTube Analytics needed to fetch statistics for videos uploaded via Simplecast. I'm going to quickly show you how all these things look like. In our CMS platform, we have an area where we can connect YouTube accounts. And we actually have two modes of the integration, depending on the type of the user. We have a channel mode, as we name it. It's basically for regular creators who manage their own channels, and this uses a minimal set of scopes. And we also have the content owner mode, which is intended to be used by enterprise level users, such as SiriusXM, who manage multiple channels under a YouTube content owner account. And they are part of a multi-channel network agreement. And for this mode, we include additional scope that will allow us to query content owner IDs and access aggregated analytics at the owner level. So let's go through a quick walkthrough of what users will see in our CMS dashboard. So users can connect a YouTube account. They will press add account and they will choose the account type. We'll start demoing the channel mode, which is probably the most common one. When they will select adding a channel mode, users will be redirected to Google consent screen to grant the requested permissions. Right. I've already logged in, so we'll skip the login part. I'm going to choose my account. It says it's signing back to simplecast.com because I already signed in. This is the standard Google OAuth page. The language is set to English. We're going to click continue. And again, in English. And here are the scopes that we are requesting. So this will allow simplecast.com to view YouTube analytics reports for YouTube content and manage your YouTube account. I'm going to click allow. So I'm gonna authorize this. Once authorized, the connection appears in our dashboard. The users will be redirected back to our CMS dashboard. This first here is the account. What happened also behind the scenes, we fetched the channels and for each channel the playlists to which the user has access to. I'm gonna quickly expand here. So this is the user that connected. This is the channel. It's my channel here. And in this channel, I have two playlists. Let's go over the content owner mode. I'm already logged in. Users, again, are being redirected to Google consent screens. Let's continue. The language is set to English and there's a difference compared to the previous screen because these are the extra scopes added due to the fact that we are operating in this content owner mode, and we need to fetch the content owner IDs and also use those content owner IDs when requesting and managing YouTube data. I'm gonna click allow. This will take a bit more time. I do have access here to one of SiriusXM accounts where there are like a bunch of channels and playlists that are being managed. After we synchronize all the data, the users will be redirected again back to our dashboard. I'm gonna expand the data to see what do we have here. This is like real SiriusXM data, like Team Coco. It's one of our most well-known channels. I'm gonna expand on the playlists and we see all of them. I can quickly go on YouTube to show you what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the playlist in YouTube. Let's continue to our dashboard. So users here, they can see the list of the connected YouTube accounts and they can remove any connection at any time. They have this. I'm not going to remove it because we still want to demo and have data here. But when this action is being performed, we immediately delete all associated data from our systems. And users can sync data from YouTube in case a new playlist is being added or a new channel. They can sync the data from YouTube. And again, we will go using the YouTube Data API and fetch all the channels and playlists associated with the connected account. After the users have managed their connections, they need to map YouTube and Simplecast data models. Users are asked to map Simplecast podcast to YouTube playlists, and these are the Simplecast shows that the users have access to, and this is just some test data, and users can select the channel and the playlist that our show maps to, because in YouTube a podcast, it's actually a playlist. This is how we do the association. One show here is actually one of our podcasts. After the users have done all these mappings and managed their connections, it's time for them to publish content to YouTube. I have here a test show, and I'm gonna go to the episodes. I've already uploaded some data so we can have this demo faster. I'm gonna go to one of our episodes to show you the fact that we have a video uploaded to our episode besides our main audio stream. And also in our dashboard, users can select to which playlist they want to publish or schedule in the future a video. Let's say I'm going to schedule this one sometime in the future to a different playlist. I've already published one of the videos to one of the playlists. Let's go to YouTube and see the video. This is the video which is published in YouTube. I have here a private playlist just for demoing it. The video is present in the playlist. Coming back to our dashboard, users can quickly edit the visibility status in YouTube and the YouTube category for their video. Again, here we are interacting with the YouTube data APIs. Once episodes are published, our backend systems use batch processes to fetch analytics reports from the YouTube Analytics API. There is nothing that I can show you here because there are a bunch of, like I said, backend systems which do perform analytics pipelines using the YouTube Analytics API. These reports are delayed according to YouTube's data refresh policy. So we're getting data like with a delay of like 2 or 3 days. So this is where we are using those scopes. Once the data is retrieved, the data is stored in our dashboard next to our metrics. We do have a comprehensive reporting mechanism where users can go in our content reports section and they can slice and dice through the data that's available. I don't have any data to show you at the moment because I've just published the episodes. It takes a bit of time, but I can tell you the data that we're using from YouTube. We are asking for bulk reports from the YouTube Analytics API, the 2 flavors of them, or for the content owner one for like a simple channel mode. From those YouTube bulk reports, we are not storing everything that's available in YouTube. We are only storing data for the episodes that are published from Simplecast and their corresponding videos in YouTube. In terms of reporting, we are getting the YouTube channel playlist, the video ID, we get the subscribe status. We do request also the YouTube device type, device OS, and also the YouTube age group, which we call age buckets, and the YouTube gender. In terms of metrics, we do store the number of views, number of comments, dislikes, engaged views, likes, shares, subscribers gains, subscribers lost, and the watch time in minutes. This feature is currently limited to a subset of enterprise customers, not all Simplecast users. We strictly follow Google's user data policies. I strongly believe we request only the minimum necessary scopes. We provide users full visibility and control over their connections. And yeah, that's the overview of how Simplecast integrates with YouTube using the YouTube data and analytics APIs. And this integration is designed to help creators seamlessly manage their video content and insights, all within the same platform they already use for their podcast. Thank you for reviewing our project.